I've been teaching minimalism for over 17 years, but there's something I've never offered until now. It's called The Minimalist Life, and today I want to invite you to be a part of it. Now, I would love if every single one of you would join. I really would. I would love the opportunity to interact with you more personally beyond the comments section here on this YouTube channel. And the platform could certainly welcome every single one of you. But maybe it would help right off the bat if I first share exactly who I created The Minimalist Life for. You see, over the years, I've published more than 2,000 articles. I've recorded hundreds of videos on this YouTube channel. I've written 6 books. I've taken over 90,000 people through my Uncluttered course. And yet the most common thing that I hear from people is this: I start strong, but I struggle to keep minimalism going. How do I make it stick? Maybe you felt that too. And it makes sense because minimalism is simple, but that doesn't mean it's always easy. It's one thing to declutter your house. It's another thing to build a life that's uncluttered, where your time, your money, your habits, and your priorities actually reflect what matters most to you. So that is why I created The Minimalist Life, and why I'm so excited to tell you about it today. Now, if you're all good living a minimalist, intentional life, you wouldn't need to sign up for a membership community. But on the other hand, if you believe in minimalism but are struggling to move from inspiration to change, if you're tired of starting over and over again and want this to stick once and for all, if you want to simplify not just your stuff, but also your time, your finances, your digital life, your holidays, your habits, then you are the exact person I created The Minimalist Life for. It's a membership community where every month we'll walk through one specific theme together, with weekly action steps to help you apply the principles into your real life. So whether it's decluttering your schedule, overcoming overspending, or creating healthier rhythms for your family, you'll get step-by-step guidance from me. You'll also get direct access to me, 3 live Zoom sessions every month where I'll answer questions, offer support, and help you stay on track. And maybe, best of all, you'll be part of a real community, people walking the same path as you, people who get it, people who understand you, people who want to cheer you on and encourage you and experience the same change you're bringing about in your life to a slower, simpler, more intentional life. I've even created an easy-to-use app so you can take the community with you wherever you go. That is the community that I am building. If you've been inspired by minimalism but need help making it last, this is for you. If you're ready to go deeper, not just in your home, but in your heart and in your habits, this is for you. If you've ever felt stuck, but still believe the minimalist life is possible, this is for you. Registration for the Minimalist Life opened just this week, and we begin officially on July 1st. But I'm offering a special price to anyone who joins right now at the beginning before we get started. The Minimalist Life will cost $28 a month, but anyone who joins right now before June 30th can get the founding member rate of $18 a month or $180 for the entire year. I really hope you'll say yes. I would love to meet you, hear your story, and walk alongside you as we both build a life of intention, one step at a time. So click the link below in the description to learn more or to join. And if you decide to join us, I can't wait to see you inside The Minimalist Life.